Okay, so here is the sequin lace fabric. Isn't it pretty? All that little sparkle. And this is actually an understatement on how much it really sparkles. But yeah, so first thing we're going to do is cut the sleeves out. And I think I like this part for being the sleeve. And that for being the sleeve. And then we'll go to... First we need to measure. First, every sleeve is generally between 21, average about 23 inches. So hopefully the 23 ends here so that I can use some of this to create our overlay. Or do I like it this way for the overlay? No, yeah, I like this side for the overlay. Has a lot more going on here. All right. So let's cut this sleeve out. Okay, so I used that piece and I cut out the sleeves. So this is what both sleeves look like here. So both sleeves look like that. So now I'm gonna cut out the top. Remember, I'm gonna leave some space in between so that I can use that to layer, overlay some of the lace onto the skirt. Okay, so we have the horsehair in there. I just have to hem the split. And then I have this overlaid. Okay, so I'm gonna pin all the way around. We're gonna do a stitch all the way around. Also gonna have to hem some of this for our sleeves.
Just hurry back.
And then the back, I'll untangle the back. And then I'm gonna cut out a few pieces and put it on the sides. On the sides, also I've had some time, we'll glue some silver around the bottom. Yep, so my next step is pinning around the waist and then pinning the designs down flat to see how I like it. So far.
Oh, really? Why is that?
Okay. This is what we have. And I'm thinking about just adding a zipper in the back just so it's easier to put it on. But yeah, this is the dress for the most part. I am gonna, right now the lace is pinned, but this is what it will look like once I sew it down or glue it